For design engineers who are dissatisfied with clumsy, component-level power switches, Watlow's ASPYRE is an intelligent line of power controllers that deliver breakthrough thermal performance, extended heater life, and a competitive edge. ASPYRE's intelligent design includes an abundance of features to get your system online faster and maintain the thermal process with unrivaled precision, including plug-and-play PC configuration software, an intuitive application wizard that automatically recommends configuration settings based on load type, a real character organic LED display, intelligent troubleshooting with built-in diagnostics, quick access to SCRs and replaceable semiconductor fuses, controller firing modes include zero cross, burst firing, single cycle, delayed triggering and phase angle. These smart algorithms enable the product to easily control a wide base of heater types, including nichrome, molybdenum disilicide, silicon carbide, tungsten quartz, infrared lamps, and transformer-coupled loads. ASPYRE uses power feedback to immediately adjust thermal performance and keep your application's temperature constant. Combining the functionality of SCR switching, voltage sensing, data logging, Wi-Fi, current sensing, semiconductor fusing, and more, the ASPYRE simplifies your system while reducing inventory and installation costs. ASPYRE is UL 508 certified to reduce costs associated with agency testing and shorten your project schedule. Input process and equipment data through a wide range of communications protocols to enable your factory and process automation strategy. ASPYRE's breakthrough performance is enabled by a robust SCR design that meets the quality and reliability needs of rugged industrial environments. This performance has been validated with stringent testing that meets or exceeds industrial standards and is backed by numerous agency certifications. Avoid the costs and production delays of expensive, complex megohm testing while extending the life of your heater with ASPYRE's wet heater bakeout function. Watlow's ASPYRE family of power controllers is available in sizes ranging from 35 amps to 700 amps, with a variety of features making it suitable for a wide range of applications. If you're interested in learning more about how ASPYRE can give your company a competitive edge, please contact your local Watlow sales office or authorized distributor.